this is for your... I can't remember what it's called now.
Portsmouth, London.
Portsmouth Harbour.
9:15 service.
Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo. And it's a 9 coaches long, so it's a 450 and a 444.
Are you going to say the class number?
No.
Oh, I'm not either.
Um,
Surprised that hasn't failed yet.
what?
The lights, the obstacle detection failed a couple months ago, like a month or two ago.
Yeah,
Because I saw Network Rail here.
normally happens.
And someone's Network Rail said to me the barriers didn't go down at all. So it failed.
Yeah.
Like Farnham and Liscommon and Sheetal, King's Fanston. So that's another crossing
This
failed.
crossing has a weird failure.
It always
last
has a
time.
failure.
So, but 2 of the exit barriers were still up. So, basically,
That's what I saw when I went there.
yeah,
Has it done it again?
no.
Oh good, thank God. Imagine if the crossing does an emergency sequence.
That'd be quite funny and also scary at the same time. Because
Especially if we have a fast train. Imagine if the Eurostar can run on this line. That would be awesome, wouldn't it?
the first type of Eurostar could, because it was third rail and overhead, so that you could come out of London Waterloo.
But does it not anymore?
No,
What was the class number of that Eurostar?
372.
Is it a high speed? Oh, here it comes. Nice free tone from the driver.
That's what I thought. There was some demons.